Hi guys, welcome to Patrick Pan channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a responsive navigation bar with only HTML and CSS. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first you need to understand how to create a HTML structure, a valid HTML structure for navigation bar. So I'm gonna using the nav tag. Okay, and inside this nav I'm gonna create a class called logo, and we're gonna create another tag inside this nav. So I'm gonna using the UL tag, and inside this UL tag we have li and the a tag. Okay, so let's create some menus like home, and you can duplicate we need just like for li. Okay, so the second we're gonna make the about link, and third we have a services link. Okay, and the last one is contact link. Okay, so just like this is the navigation bar structure for HTML. Okay, next you can go to your style sheet file, and first I'm gonna reset the margin and padding, and I'm gonna using the box sizing property and use the border box. Okay, so we have to reset the default value in the browser. Okay, and next I'm gonna access to nav tag, and we're gonna have the padding like 1 rem, and the background color to 333. Okay, and I'm gonna have the font color to white. Okay, just like that. And so let's open our HTML file with file server. Okay, as you guys can see here, we got our navigation bar display like this, but I forgot to put some text here inside this logo. Okay, I'm gonna using the a tag inside this, and I'm gonna write some text here like website. Okay, cool, and go back to style.css. So next I'm gonna access to the logo class, and I'm gonna access to the a tag inside this logo. So I'm gonna using the text decoration to remove the link underline. Okay, so I'm gonna use none, and next I'm gonna make a font color to white and font size to 1 rem. Okay, let's see the result. Font size, okay, just increasing the size. Okay, just 2 rem. Okay, and next go back to nav. So I need to use the display and set it to flex. So when you use display flex, you guys can see the result. Our menus, they will stick together with the logo, so you can use justify content and using the space between like this, and go back to see the result. As you guys can see here, our logo will stay at the left side and our menus will stay at the right side. Okay, cool. And next I'm gonna go to access to UL tag, and we can using the display flex also. So our menus will display like inline. Okay, and next I'm gonna remove some bullets here. As you guys can see here, we have 4 bullets, so we don't want that. We can remove by using list style none like this. Okay, cool. Next you can access to li tag, and you can make these menus have some space here. So I'm gonna using the 0 at top and bottom, and left and right just 1 rem. Okay, so we can create some space for our menus like this. Okay, and next I want our menu to have a vertical align center. Okay, you can use the align items property and set it to center like this. So as you guys can see here, our menus, they have a vertical align center. Okay, and next I'm gonna access to the A tag, and I'm gonna remove the text decoration to none and set the font color to white like this. So as you guys can see here, we have a nice navigation bar, but it's not responsive. So if you test in mobile screen, okay, I'm gonna show you. As you guys can see here, when we enter smaller screen, our navigation bar is don't display the way that we want. Okay, we're gonna fix it. So let's say if I go to like 420. Okay, so this is the screen that I want to change some display for the mobile screen. Okay, so you can use a media query. So we're gonna use add media screen and max width. So if we enter 420 pixel screen, okay, so this side we're gonna change our navigation bar to display perfectly in the screen. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we can use the nav, and we can use the flex direction. So the default value of flex direction, they are set to row, but we have to change it. Okay, we have to change it to column like this. Okay, hit save, go back to Chrome. As you guys can see here, from row to column, they're gonna display like this. Okay, so next we can use the text align center. Okay, and next we have to do it with the menu as well. So we're gonna access to UL, and I'm gonna change the flex direction to column. Okay, cool. And we need some space for our menu. Okay, so I'm gonna access to outline, and I'm gonna make the margin top and bottom like 1 rem and left and right 0. Okay, as you guys can see here, cool. So I think it's look fine now, but if you want to create some animation with the li, you can do it too. Like if you hover the link, okay, so you can make the background color, change it to like white background or something, like change the font color. You can do whatever that you like. Okay, so let's see, I want to change the A tag. So when we hover over the link, I want to change the background. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna access to the A tag. So we're gonna use the hover pseudo class, and I'm gonna change the background color to white, and next the font color to black, and I'm gonna create some padding like 0.5 rem. Okay, hit save and go back to see the result. As you guys can see here, we can hover over the links, and we got this pretty nice effect. But you can create some transition to it, like you can use the transition and set it to like 0.5 second. Okay, and hit save, and let's hover over the links. Alright, pretty cool. As you guys can see here, we have the navigation bar that responsive to smaller screen and some nice effect here. But as you guys can see here, you can see something is wrong with these links. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so actually you can put this padding, okay, and you fix it by using padding to the A tag before it's hover. Okay, and hit save. Let's go back to see the result. As you guys can see here, so we have a perfect effect for our links. Okay, cool. Alright guys, that's it. This is how you can create a responsive navigation bar for your website. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you guys are new to HTML and CSS. Okay, so if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys soon in the next video.